What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Griddle Grub. Today we're making some al pastor and chorizo tacos. We're gonna mix it together, make a taco of goodness. It's gonna be amazing. We got some good ingredients. Just gonna dive right in, get some stuff frying up. Let's do it. All right, so right here we got 2 pounds of pork. Normally I would want to get this unseasoned because I don't really think it needs very much seasoning when you're cooking chorizo with it, but they didn't have any unseasoned. So this is what we got. So let's just get this going. This is easy. Boom. All right. And then boom, cook it up. All right, so we got this going. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some oil. I got this burner all the way low. This one's off. These two are on high. I'm gonna go ahead and throw some oil right over here. Get my my jalapeno going. Just like that. Get it going. All right. Now I'm gonna let the meat, the pork, get to about halfway to being done. Then I'm gonna add the chorizo directly in it. And yeah, I mean, we're pretty much home from there. Got the corn tortillas. It's about to go down. All right, so we got the pork is about 50% done. I'm gonna get the chorizo going over here. This is just your standard pork chorizo. That's what we prefer. I know they have beef and soy as well, but this is what we like. So we got 1 pound of that to 2 pounds of the regular pork. All right. Oh, got a little bit right there. Get in there. Right here. All right. Boom. Let's just chop this stuff up. I got a cooler over here, like I said. This burner's off that I'm over right now. And then the next one is, it's on low. The next one is off. So I'm just gonna flip this stuff, chop it up a little bit. This stuff barely takes any time to cook. So yeah, let's just let that stuff warm up, soften up over here. All right. See how my jalapeno's doing? Oh yeah, we're good over here. Nice. So what else we're doing? We got cilantro and onion, you know, standard. That's what I prefer to put on my tacos. I know some people want cheese, lettuce, tomato, all that good stuff. And we got some limes as well. And then this, some super, super good homemade salsa. Ooh, man, super hot too. I had one like 20 minutes ago and I'm still feeling it, but it's delicious. So yeah, let's just cook this stuff up a little bit more. We're getting there. All right, now you just gotta let this stuff cook up a little bit together. That's what I like to do. I like to get all them flavors together in there. Ooh, man, this is smelling super good. All right, so while we got that cooking up, let's get some tortillas going over here. That's gonna throw these corns on here. Now we got the bigger ones and the smaller ones, the smaller street taco kinds. So I'm gonna bump that one up. I'm gonna turn this one on now, put it on low. Oh, that one broke a little. All right, let's get one more of them. Let's see how we're looking on this meat over here. All right, so we're looking pretty good. This is pretty much done. I just want to get some tortillas made now, which the bigger ones are done. I'm gonna throw a bunch of these smaller ones on now, and boom. Get a nice little fry on these. And yeah, we're bring you back when I start to build it. How about that? All right, we got everything ready to go. Let's build them. All right, so that's all you got to do. I mean, super, super easy and really delicious. Now, I've never had it with the seasoned pork like this, but I think it's going to be good. I mean, I don't know how you can, it couldn't be good. All these good ingredients. Let's get this jalapeno. Boy, that's going to be delicious. Now, the salsa I'm going to put on one of them. This sounds super, super hot. All right, boom, let's dive in. It's really good. Almost has like a sweet flavor, probably from the seasoning that was on the pork. I'm not sure what it was, they didn't tell me, but I mean, it's definitely not bad. Definitely not bad. Or you know what? Let's get the one with the salsa. That is amazing. Man, so good. That's all I got, guys. I'm gonna dish this up for everyone, get some more tortillas made, go watch some football. Appreciate you coming along. Smash that thumbs up if you like the video. Let me know if there's something you want me to cook. And yeah, we'll see you on the next one. Thanks.